Hello everyone, welcome to the last lecture on string modification methods. In this one, we're gonna discuss two lower and two upper methods. Let's begin with the two lower. Here's the syntax of this method. This method converts each character in the string to lowercase. Any characters that do not have a lowercase equivalent remain unchanged. As a result, it returns a new string. In this example, the myString contains two uppercase characters, H and J. However, when the toLower method is applied to the myString, a new string is generated by converting all characters to lowercase. Alright, the next method that we want to discuss is toUpper. This is the syntax of the toUpper method. This method acts as the inverse of the toLower method by converting each character in the string to uppercase. For example, when this method is applied to the myString, the resulting string would be like this, with all characters converted to uppercase. Keep in mind that these two methods, as well as other string methods that return a string, actually create a new string without modifying the original string. Alright, now let's dive into VS Code and see these methods in action. Okay, let's start by declaring a string variable and making the first letter of each word uppercase. Next, we'll apply the toLower and toUpper methods to this string. Now, let's display the results in the terminal and run the application. Actually, let's also display the value of the myString variable in the terminal to demonstrate that it remains unchanged. As you can see, the toLower method converts all characters to lowercase. On the other hand, toUpper method converts all characters to uppercase. And as expected, the value of the myString variable remains unchanged. Alright, done. We'll be back soon with another lecture.